Welcome to tondoeslinux. Today we're diving into Warp Terminal, a revolutionary tool for command line interaction. Warp isn't just another terminal emulator, it's a modern reimagining of the command line interface. By the end, you'll see why Warp could be the last terminal you'll ever need. Warp is a Rust-based terminal emulator that's fast, GPU accelerated, and works with all major shells. It combines traditional terminal power with modern features like those in code editors. Available on Mac OS, Linux, and Windows, Warp is truly cross-platform. Warp's block-based interface is a game-changer. It organizes commands and outputs into neat blocks, making it a breeze to copy, navigate, and share. Imagine troubleshooting with ease and collaborating effortlessly. This feature alone can transform your command line experience, making history navigation a delight. Now let's explore how Warp's AI can further enhance your workflow. Warp's AI command suggestions are a game changer. Just type a query like find large files, and Warp's AI suggests the exact command you need. It's perfect for those infrequent but crucial tasks, saving you time and effort. This feature is a massive time saver, especially for commands you use infrequently but are essential for your workflow. Warp's IDE-like editing is a game changer. Forget arrow keys, just click to edit commands. Perfect for complex setups like Docker. Imagine crafting a Docker command, spotting an error, and simply clicking to fix it. This feature makes command editing as intuitive as using a text editor, enhancing productivity and precision. Warp Drive is a game changer, storing workflows and environment variables in the cloud. Imagine saving complex deployment processes as workflows and running them anywhere with a single command. It's a lifesaver for developers juggling multi-step tasks. This feature ensures your setup is portable, making it perfect for those on the go. Warp's Team Drive and real-time session sharing redefine collaboration. Share workflows and terminal sessions effortlessly, making debugging and teamwork a breeze. Imagine solving issues with a colleague in real time. No more copy-pasting outputs. It's like having your team right there in your terminal, boosting efficiency and productivity. Warp lets you customize your terminal like never before. With Vim key bindings and the ability to create themes from images, you can tailor your terminal to fit your workflow and aesthetic. Share your custom themes with the community and enjoy a personalized experience that enhances productivity and style. It's all about making the terminal truly yours. Warp stands out with AI, blocks, and collaboration, offering a comprehensive experience compared to Alacrity, iTerm2, and Hyper. It's cross-platform and productivity-focused, making it a top choice. While Alacrity is fast but minimalist, Warp adds organization and AI. iTerm2 is Mac-only, but Warp is cross-platform. Hyper is customizable but slower. Warp excels in performance and features. Warp revolutionizes workflows for Git, web development, and system administration. Its block interface and AI suggestions simplify complex tasks, while saving and sharing workflows boost team productivity. Imagine seamless Git operations, streamlined web development, and efficient server management, all enhanced by Warp's innovative features. It's a game changer for developers and system administrators alike. Getting started with Warp is a breeze. Download, install, and configure your setup. Choose your shell and theme and learn essential shortcuts for a seamless experience. Warp's modern features make it a must-try for anyone using the command line. It's like upgrading from a typewriter to a smart keyboard. Warp is a game changer for command line enthusiasts, offering modern features and enhanced productivity. Whether you're a developer, sysadmin, or tech enthusiast, Warp provides a superior terminal experience. Give Warp a try today and transform your command line interaction forever.